What in the fuck is going on with these goddamn arms? There's still more of them coming. What the hell? This is dangerous. The fuck, man? What the hell? Yeah, because this is safe. The arms are going up. The guy's not even through again. Well, what the fuck? And now they're going to come back down and there's nobody left. What the fuck is going on with this fucking railroad? I just want to go home. And there's more of them. What in the actual fuck? What is going on here? What is... I don't know who you're beeping at, because, we're waiting on you, pal. Yeah, Why are you... Oh my god, what is this shit? Okay. Why are you going up? I'm not fucking going. Oh, fuck, I guess I'm going now. Oh, no! Motherfucker, how dare you! What is this? This game is rigged! Oh, fuck. Okay, I'm going.